How to create email account. Open your email application or the Gmail application. Then make sure to sign in to your existing account. After that, tap on profile at the top right corner of the screen. Now on the section, you have to scroll and tap on add another account. Now on this page, you have to select Google. Wait for a while and you have to verify it's you by scanning your fingerprint or entering the password. Here tap on create account button and select whether it's for your personal use or for business. Enter your name, the first name and surname which is optional. Then tap on next button at the bottom right corner. Here you have to enter your basic information, that is your birthday and gender. After that, select the next button again. Here you have to pick a Gmail address or create your own. You can also use letters, numbers and full stop. Then tap on next button again. Here you have to create a strong password with a mixture of letters, numbers and symbols. Then again tap on next button. You can review your account information. Tap on next button. Now on this section you have to read all this privacy and terms and tap on I agree button. So that's how we successfully create email account. If you want to switch your email account to your current account, you can tap on profile at the top right and select the new email account that you want to use. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.